How many grams of protein does an adult male need? About 56 grams of protein per day. How many calories does an adult male need? About 2,500 calories per day. So let's say we get that 2,500 calories from low protein foods, white rice, lettuce, pistachio nuts. As you can see, lots of white rice, 10 cups of white rice, some lettuce, some pistachio nuts. We get 2,500 calories. So how much protein do we get from that 2,500 calories of low protein foods? More than enough protein, 65 grams of protein. Low protein foods only to get all the calories the adult male needs results in too much protein. Well, what about amino acids? What happens if you only get your protein from low protein plant foods? What about your amino acids? Well, let's check, right off the bat. The hardest amino acid to get enough of is typically thought to be lysine. Well, even here we have more than enough lysine. As you can see, I don't see any red here. The only red here is too much protein. There's enough of everything, and there's even too much protein. So once again, getting all of the calories that an adult male needs from low protein plant foods results in too much protein and more than enough of every amino acid. So what does that mean? It means that we get too much protein even eating low protein foods. So what happens if we were to have high protein foods? Well, then we would get way too much protein. And what happens when somebody gets way too much protein? Well, the body converts that protein into fat. The body stresses the liver and the kidneys, increased risk of heart disease, cancer, causes osteoporosis. So as you can see, we should only eat low protein foods because the consumption of high protein foods causes one to consume too much protein, and too much protein is very negative for long-term health and happiness.